Hello from Car Key Solutions Workshop, where today we've got a brand new Ford Transit Custom, which is not going to go on the road until it has security done, security upgrade that it is a must. And we just want to show you what we have done so far on this Transit. The work is still in progress, but so far we have covered some elements, some aspects, and we just want to show you what are the must upgrades on the Ford Transit Custom. If we go and start with the driver's door, it's called a replock. Is a must have on the Ford Transit Customs, all models, because the factory fitted one is so easily overcome and access gain into the cabin. So it is a must. On some models, the driver's door lock used to unlock even the rear door. So having a replock, we're going to protect that from happening. It's no longer the case where the lock unlocks the side and the rear, because an upgrade has been done on the vehicle security system. But nevertheless, if this is not replaced, access is so easily gained into the vehicle. So this is the first aspect. Now if we move to the side door, we have protected that. So we have protected that with the hook lock fitted on the top side of the door. Initially, when the hook locks they came on the market for this particular model, or even for others, they used to be fitted the middle of the door. But what this does, it does not offer good protection, because unfortunately the way that these doors are attacked, they are peeled off from the top, and even with the lock in here, access is gained into the vehicle. So having the lock at the top prevent that from happening. Also, we've installed here a plate. Why did we do that? Unfortunately, those locks are also attacked. So this door gets pinched, gets drilled, and access gets into the lock, damaging the lock and obviously opening. So for instance, if the lock won't be in the lock position, which again is very, very important, you have locks that they have to be manually operated every time when the van is locked or left in the car park. So they have to be operated. But in case the lock is not operated, what they're going to do, they're going to drill to get access to the lock. Obviously the plate will prevent that from happening. It is exactly pretty much same setup that we've applied to the rear door. Hook locks on the top, hook locks that they hook into the bracket. It's exactly same setup on both ways, on the side and rear, offering better protection. Even if they try to peel off, being a hook, they won't be unable to do that. They'll be unable to do that. And obviously same plate, similar setup as on the side door. Now on top of those aspects, the lock, the rep locks and the plates, we've installed one of the most important upgrades to this security. Is an alarm system that we are still in progress of doing it. Alarm, a smart alarm that works with phone notifications and upgraded alarm, upgraded horns. What this means, if alarm gets triggered, the alarm sends notification to a configured mobile phone. It actually can be more devices, so you'll be alerted. But also the upgraded horns, the one that we installed, they are very loud horns, which obviously means when the alarm gets triggered, it's going to be very noisy. So there's going to be another deterrent. So obviously there's alarm with shock sensor. So if thieves, they try to attack the doors, they try to pull or drill or whatever, the shock sensor, they're going to trigger the alarm, which is going to be very loud. So there are quite a few steps that have been taken. And when this van is going to be on the road, it's definitely not going to be the general vulnerable van with no locks, no alarm, no upgraded security. So unfortunately, it is something that is needed. This is probably a comprehensive solution, but will definitely give a lot of peace of mind having all those aspects covered and knowing that whatever you put inside stays in there and no one get access to it. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel for more videos regarding to vehicle security and car keys. See you in the next video.